Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. So for today's video I'm kind of doing a more chilled laid back vlog. I'm basically just going to be organising a bunch of my wool because I have bags of just a tangled mess and it's been like that for a few years now and it's just kind of stressing me out and it's just kind of piling up. So I really want to spend like a full day just organising that and reorganising my cupboards as well, where I store all of my yarn. It's all colour coordinated, but at the minute I've just kind of been slacking a bit with organising it and keeping on top of it. That's pretty much what I want to do today. So grab a drink and grab a snack and let's get cosy and just enjoy the vlog. So this is what I'm working with so far. I've basically got two of these large bags just full of yarn. Some of it is kind of halfway through a project and some of it is just like a tangled mess of unravelled yarn, and some of it as well is like stuck between these two bags, so I've literally just had to grab it all into one bundle and then just bring it over here because it was impossible. I'd have to like try and untangle this part. So this section here is actually going into both bags, which is really annoying. And I have also allocated another bag here to store all of my yarn scraps, so just the really like small pieces of yarn that aren't really enough to do a full project, and I'm thinking of doing some sort of maybe granny square project with them in the future. So let me know if you have any suggestions of kind of scrap yarn projects that you'd like to see me make, and I will definitely do that. So I'm just going to get started. Basically I think I'm going to start off with the easier things, so that is like the more solid parts, and I'm basically just going to rewind them back into yarn cakes with this yarn winder I've got. This is from Amazon and I will link it down below. It is probably one of the best purchases I've made crochet wise. It's so helpful. So I think I'm going to get started with this bin bag. It's a lot smaller and just a lot less intimidating, and I'm basically just going to separate all of these yarn colours and then wind them back up into balls, and then I'm kind of going to organise them based on how much of each colour there is, if it's going to go into kind of a main storage cupboard part of my yarn or if it's going to just be like mini scrap pieces for smaller projects. Okay, so I have done the first bag. It was only a small bag, but it is all done. Most of it I think was scrap. So here's all the scrap pieces that I got out of that, and then this is the actual balls of yarn that I was able to wrap up. So now I'm going to be working on the big bag, and it's going to be quite intimidating and quite, I think, quite a long process, but just got to get it done, and I'm glad I started with this one because now I think I'm in the flow of it a bit better. Okay, so it's now day 2. I have made quite a big dent in the bag, so I'm kind of getting more excited now to get everything finished. I'm hoping that I'm going to finish everything by today. I've only got like 2 more skeins of yarn left to unravel from this big bag, and then I have got my individual colour boxes, and I'm also going to hopefully organise a lot of my projects, because they just kind of sit in piles all over the place and sometimes it's hard to relocate where they are. I had my birthday last week on Thursday and I got this new mug. It's from Anthropology. This is the other side. It's like these mushrooms. And then I also got a matching bowl that comes with it. It's so cute. So what was initially supposed to be like a 1 or 2 day project has turned into 4 days of me organising all of my yarn, and it's actually technically not even all of my yarn. I've still got a little bit more, but the main like kind of goal was to just get the bulk of it done. It's all done now, so I'm really happy with it, and I'm now going to be making a teddy bear, a bit random, but it is for a birthday present and I'm really excited to make this. So I'm going to carry on now and just kind of take my time with it. I'm not planning on doing a massive bear anyway. Okay, so it is now Sunday. I'm going to be spending the rest of my day just doing some cross stitching because I have quite a lot of magazines to catch up on from the Peter Rabbit collection. So I'm thinking of maybe completing 4 and 5 today, possibly might do more because some of the issues are like very short. I'm kind of just feeling like I need to kind of chill and just unwind. So yeah, let's just get into it. So today I am just doing a bit of dog sitting, but while I'm here I thought that I would continue with my cross stitching. I am now I think on issue 5, so I've completed issue 4. It really only took me like a couple of hours. In a couple more issues I think we're starting another section of the cross stitch, so it's like the bunnies. Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that today. So yeah,